Guys, you have learned how to delete a user, how to create a user, right? Why do hacker create a user, guys? When your operating system is vulnerable to, sorry, when some web application is vulnerable to command injection, and if it is running on a particular Linux operating system, the hacker will create the username and password, and then he can give those credentials in for SSH login or FTP login or MySQL login kind of thing. That's why hacker use those commands, guys. That's why it is necessary for you to learn these commands. So now let's talk about some basic commands. Let's say as soon you open the console, terminal, I said terminal, right? So click on terminal, guys. Terminal is open. pwd, this command is for present working directory, guys. So that means you are in home Kali Linux. If the web application is vulnerable to command injection, the hacker will use pwd command to know the present working directory, and he will change the using cd command come back based, like to find out the logs folder or database folder or etc password file etc shadow. So that's the reason why, in order to find all these things files, first he has to know the present working directory, then only he will be knowing, coming back, like uh, like cd dot dot, like I'll talk about those commands later, guys. This means I'm in this particular folder now. So if I put ls here, we'll talk about that later, guys. I don't want to confuse this. pwd is for present working directory, not password. So the output, it will be shows like that, like this. The now you know why the hacker used that pwd command to, like, for the web applications. If the web application is vulnerable to, command injection, then you don't need to give any of the space or anything, just with pwd. Like if the web application is vulnerable, if the web application is vulnerable to command injection, and if it is having like input validations or like firewalls or whatever, WAF firewall, intrusion detection system, intrusion prevention systems, you can simply give pwd, like it's like it's like characters, right? So still you can getting the output, successful output, guys.